So I think that there will be a change. Not because we have more Republican Supreme Court justices, but because we will have more ideologically conservative Supreme Court justices.
In this election, Democrats lost their bid to retain control of the North Carolina Supreme Court. Wins at the ballot box for Richard Dietz and Trey Allen will now give Republicans the majority. Ben Feinholt leads Duke Law's Just Sentencing Project, an initiative that addresses extreme sentencing and racial disparities in North Carolina.
I think that defense attorneys will have to be very careful and very zealous about guarding their clients' rights under both the federal constitution and the state constitution, because we may have a state Supreme Court that is less likely to protect those rights on their own.
Feinholt points to two cases this year that may give us a hint: State v. Riley Connor and State v. James Kelleher. In his dissent, Chief Justice and Republican Paul Newby accused the Democratic majority, who ruled on each case, of judicial activism for interpreting the North Carolina Constitution differently than the federal Constitution. Newby also said they placed limits on juvenile sentencing beyond what the legislature has done. Feinholt is also waiting to see what the new makeup of the court means for minority offenders.
I am hopeful that those disparate outcomes are something that our new court does not ignore. But I think that that's an area of concern, is that a more ideologically conservative court will not be as interested in the downstream impacts on our communities.
While North Carolina's black population is around 22%, they are 50% of the prison population. How the court rules may also have an effect on our prisons, as the vacancy range for correction staff remains at 35 to 40%.
You've got not enough people not making enough money, taking care of too many people already. And if that gets worse, that could be a real problem for the state.
And you know, Liz, we can all speak for this as we go to the ballots, how much we don't know about who we're voting for a lot of times.
See a lot of names you don't really recognize.
You don't recognize. It does take a lot of work for voters to do their own research, you know. So down the line, you know, many people may agree with where this court heads. We'll just see.
We'll see. All right, Russ.